July 21st. We've got a few more clouds, but it's a little cooler too. Hi, this is Tim Vasquez with the Texas Weather Forecast, valid for Wednesday, 22nd July 2015. This is looking at the visible satellite picture on Tuesday. This is about 1:45 p.m. here. This kind of sets the stage for what's going on for today. So yesterday we were seeing this sea breeze driving onshore from about Victoria to Houston and back towards the Lake Charles area. That was driving north as we normally see this time of year. Sea breeze a little more active than we had over the weekend, but high pressure over Texas just kind of keeping things locked down. This is a big upper level high covering this whole area. But up to the north, we've got a few showers and thunderstorms in Oklahoma. And you can see a lot of upper level debris cloud with that. A lot of that's driving southward, not causing any weather here in Texas, but kind of keeping a little bit of a damper on the sunshine. Then closing out the rest of the day, we didn't see a whole lot of change, just the thunderstorms continuing to blow up out to the west over West Texas. And just as we lose that little bit of light there, look at the sea breeze. See that right there? Going from just east of San Antonio to about Crockett, Texas, and back to Alexandria. So it's making a little bit more headway than we saw over the past few days. So that's increasing the chance of showers just a very tiny bit over parts of East Texas and Central Texas, but overall not a whole lot of moisture to work with and a lot of suppression aloft, so that's keeping things pretty much shut down. Few showers going up in northwest Texas around the Seymour to Vernon to Lawton area. Surface chart at this time. Currently we're looking at, let me get this. There we go. This is 3 a.m. when I'm preparing this. You can see a stationary front across southern Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle. And this is providing sort of a focus for showers and thunderstorms. We'll see that continue again today. And of course, we'll get more showers over the high terrain of West Texas. So pretty much a repeat of today. Look at that southerly flow moving onshore, just bringing more moisture onto the Texas Gulf Coast, and we can see the dew points right there. 75, so yeah, even 78 there at Victoria. So those are some pretty good values for this time of year. But that upper level high, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is keeping things pretty much locked down. This is the upper level chart for 250 millibars. This is 34,000 feet. And this is what I call the master solution in the summertime, at least. Other times of the year, I like to look at a lot of different charts, but 250 millibars in this kind of pattern kind of shows us pretty much everything that's going on here. So for today, Wednesday at 0Z, which would be about 7 o'clock last night, we were looking at the upper level high over West Texas around Monahans to Pecos, and very weak northerly flow across much of Texas. See this area of stronger winds in the Gulf? This is going to be moving onshore over the next couple days. Not going to bring a whole lot of change to the weather, really, but it may increase the chance of rain maybe up to 10%, 20% along parts of the Texas Gulf Coast. Then we get into Thursday and Friday, upper level high just continuing to keep anchored over Childress, Abilene to Fort Worth. Stronger flow starting to work onshore south of I-10, but that's not really going to do a whole lot over the weekend. The high pressure area just kind of hangs tough over Saturday and Sunday. Not much change going into the next week, and in fact, we've got to go all the way to August 1st and 2nd before we really start seeing a change. This is a little bit beyond the capability of the model to really forecast the weather, but it's just something to look forward to. Checking the calendar here. This would be a week from this weekend. So if this happens, we're going to see a little bit of a polar front jet working into northwestern and north Texas. That would increase the chance of showers and thunderstorms across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, back to Abilene and down to Austin, maybe even San Antonio. So that'll be something to keep an eye on. And if that happens, even stronger northerly flow, that'll really start moderating the temperatures. So we'll see highs probably drop gradually to the low 90s and upper 80s going into next week. That's the Texas weather forecast. Not a whole lot really going on. We'll update this again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.